Hello housework haters, this is my 7-year-old Cooper and he's gonna help you teach your kids how to mop the floor.
The first thing you need to do is spray corner and then go backwards so you can do it easier. Then you won't step on what you have already done. If there's like a big gap like this, you can do the M style. You go up, down, up, down. Make sure you get all the way to the corners. Oops. You might be wondering why I have a spoon. My grandma taught my mom this. If there's a really sticky part, you can scrape it off like that, but I usually let my mom do it. If you're a kid, you can use a sponge.
If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. These are the videos I want you to watch next.